tire chains provide extra traction on snow and ice, enhancing safety in slippery conditions. My today's video is about top 5 best tire chains that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Happymate tire chains. The Happymate snow tire chains are an essential safety accessory for winter driving. Designed for easy installation without moving your vehicle, using a jack, or removing tires, they save time and effort even in harsh conditions. Built from heat-treated materials, these chains offer extreme strength, hardness, and wear resistance, providing superior traction on ice and snow while ensuring durability and safety. Their fatigue-resistant design helps maintain reliable performance during extended use in winter conditions. After use, the chains are simple to clean and store. Just rinse, air dry, and place in the included storage box for compact, organized keeping. The package comes complete with one pair of chains, a 5-language manual, extended black gloves, and repair links with clips, providing everything needed for installation, maintenance, and roadside fixes. For safety, it's recommended to drive under 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per hour, while chains are engaged. Stop immediately if a chain breaks, and regularly inspect for wear. These chains are a practical investment for secure, confident winter driving. Now our second product is Taseyok tire chains. The HLN 130 automatic tightening snow chains are a must-have for safe and convenient winter driving. Designed for quick installation in just 30 seconds, they automatically tighten as you drive, eliminating the need to repeatedly adjust them in cold, harsh conditions. This saves time and effort while ensuring consistent traction. Made from high-quality alloy steel, these chains are more durable and wear-resistant than TPU alternatives. They deliver excellent grip on snow, ice, mud, and sand while minimizing noise and vibration, providing comprehensive safety and stability on adverse roads. Compatible with a wide range of tire sizes such as 235/75 or 15, 225/65 or 17, 255/40 or 19, and many more. They suit most manufacturer-approved tires. For convenience, the chains come with a portable storage box, making them easy to store and transport. Cleaning is simple: rinse and air dry after use. The package includes 2 snow chains, gloves, a small snow shovel, replacement buckles, and a user manual, providing everything needed for safe winter travel. Our third product is Auveby tire chains. The Auveby snow chains are a practical and reliable solution for winter driving safety. Designed for effortless installation, they can be securely fitted in just 1 minute without moving your vehicle, and removal is just as simple. The automatic fixing device ensures a click-and-go setup, eliminating the need for rubber tighteners or repeated adjustments while driving. Crafted from thick alloy manganese steel, these chains provide exceptional traction and grip on snow, ice, mud, and sand, enhancing stability and control in harsh conditions. Their durable construction ensures long-lasting performance and reliable protection during winter trips. After use, cleaning and storage are convenient. Simply rinse the chains, air dry, and store them in the included portable storage box. The package comes complete with a pair of snow chains, cotton gloves, replacement buckles, and a user guide, offering everything needed for safe installation, maintenance, and secure travel in adverse weather conditions. Now number 4, Dedc tire chains. The Dedc tire chains are specifically designed for pickup trucks and off-road SUVs, offering rugged performance and reliable safety in snowy, icy, or muddy conditions. Crafted from thick alloy manganese steel with a 4.5 mm chain diameter, these chains provide excellent traction and grip while resisting breakage during tough off-road use. Installation is fast and convenient, taking just 1 minute without the need to move your vehicle, making the process safer and more efficient. The carefully designed chain structure prevents tangling, saving time and effort during setup. After use, cleaning is simple: just rinse and air dry in the sun or a ventilated area. These chains are compatible with a wide range of tire sizes, including popular 15 to 22-inch tires, making them suitable for many trucks and SUVs. Overall, these chains deliver durability, superior traction, and convenience, ensuring confident off-road and winter driving. It's important to select the correct size according to your tire model for optimal performance and safety. And our last choice is Hillclym tire chains. The Hillclym snow tire chains are a reliable and durable solution for safe winter driving. Designed to fit vehicles with limited tire clearance, they provide secure installation where standard chains may not fit. Before purchase, it's essential to check your tire sidewall specifications and select the correct size from the provided chart to ensure optimal performance. Built with heavy-duty 12mm links, these chains are strong enough to handle rugged terrain and frequent use, offering long-lasting durability. Their classic design combines simplicity with reliability, delivering consistent traction on snow, ice, and icy roads for safer driving in harsh winter conditions. Equipped with an automatic tensioning system, the chains tighten themselves during use, eliminating the need for constant readjustment. Certified to meet SAS class and European EN 16662-1 standards, they are safe and effective when driving at or below 30 miles per hour. Overall, these chains are a practical, durable, and convenient choice for winter-ready vehicles. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.